Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. You guys, today we have an unboxing.
So until then, just wait.
If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot. But if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like, and ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the unboxing. It's been quite a bit since we've had an unboxing on the channel, and I'm so excited. You know what it is. It's in the title, it's in the thumbnail. Let's just go ahead and get into it so I don't waste any of your time. Here it is. It's shipped all the way from France. I honestly didn't realize. I know that jacquemus is a French brand, but I didn't realize that they didn't have like a branch in America, like in New York or something. But I did order this from the website, so that's probably why it delivered directly from France. First up, let's just go over these little doodads that I got in the mail, cute little stickers. And then I got this little pamphlet and it says merci on it right there. And I just do believe this is like the receipt and like if in case I want to return it or something, but I don't want to do that. Here she is. She is inside this beautiful little jacquemus dust bag. I kind of wish that she came with a box, but she didn't. I wish she had though, because it would have been so cute. I really wanted to get another mini bag because, gosh, you guys, I'm all about the mini bags. I have my pull-in bag that's mini sized. I have this one now. I'm just all about that vibe. I love it so much. So here we go. Oh my God. All right, let me bring her up close. I got the jacquemus Le Chiquito bag. And I want to say this is actually a new color. Don't quote me on this, but when I was looking through the website, I was seeing all of their normal colors like white, black, blue, stuff like that. And then this right here, I want to say it's a color ivory. That's the color on the website, ivory. But I want to say this is a newer color. Like I want to say they just came out with a collection called Le Papier. So I want to say this is new for summer 2022. Maybe this is considered fall at this point with where we're at in the year. But it does have this beautiful jacquemus logo in gold. And then again, nothing on the back. It's got the classic top handle here. And then you open it just like that, little snap closure. And then it opens up just like this. And she's so freaking cute. I love it so much. Of course, if you wanted to, you could just top handle this baby. You know, I do think that mini bags, I think personally they look better when they're on a strap, like if they're crossbody, you know, like this, or like a left titty flex or a right titty flex like that. But I do think you can top handle one if you wanted to. Like if you didn't want to faff with a strap or be bothered, you can just top handle it like this. I do think it's great that this handle here, even with the bag being so small, there's more than enough space for you to put your arm. Like I feel like even bags like the Birkin 25 have that kind of issue because the strap is so narrow, like so small. But even this right here, plenty of room to put my arm through. Also, I've got the strap right here, and then also it came with a tag. So, but here's the strap. So here is what the strap looks like. Here is the gold little clasp, and it says jacquemus on it as well. And then I was so in between. Did I want to get this ivory colored one, or did I want to get the white, or like a nice fun color? Because I really like this ivory color because it kind of just matches more. I feel like with my style and my colors nowadays, I do have more of a casual style at this point. Very simple, kind of more neutral, but I still do love a good color. I just thought because it's a mini bag, because I want a lighter color. Like I've mentioned before that I want like a white Chanel or like a white bag because I didn't have a white bag. And then my husband actually suggested, well, hey, why don't you just Photoshop yourself with a couple of the different colors? So like I pulled some outfits and then Photoshopped the white bag and this ivory bag on me on Photoshop, and I was like, oh my god, the ivory one just looks so good. So he was like, well, just get that one. And I was like, okie dokie. I'm glad that I did because even with my Hermes bracelet, I didn't get the full-on white one because sometimes I feel like if it's too white, it kind of is very striking and it can kind of be a little bit, just a lot, if you know what I mean. It can just be a lot. The strap is of course adjustable. It was on the second to tightest one already, and then I moved it to the tightest one because when I do crossbody this, I like it to be really close to me. Yeah, so this is so cute. Look at it. Oh my goodness. And you can even wear it with this outfit. It just looks so good. Fashion. It looks amazing. And then I just love it. You know, I normally do a right titty flex. I know a lot of people do a left titty flex, but I just do a right titty flex. I think it's so much easier for me personally. So there's that. And I'm so here for the tiny bag energy, you guys. In the words of Cassie Thorpe, TBE is like here to stay. I love it so much. Fashion, style, I love it. And then I do think that you're supposed to be able to wear this as a belt bag as well. Like I think you can just kind of string, let's see. You can put these through your belt loops. Well, never mind, you can't do that. I thought that you could do that. I thought I saw somebody do that, but it's like still way too long. That's frustrating. So, you know, if I could wear it as a belt bag, I think that would be really, really nice. But if the strap is still too long, even on the shortest setting, to wear it as a belt bag with the strap that comes with it. So again, maybe I could find a smaller strap or something, but here's what she looks like crossbody. This is how I would wear her mostly anyways. I kind of wish she was even tighter. If I'm wearing a sweater, the last hole is perfect, but still I kind of wish it was like super close to me. She's so freaking cute. Look at how adorable she is. Let's talk about what fits inside of her. Okay, here we go. I feel like this looks a little bit better. I hope the audio is still okay. Here's what she looks like this, and then you can just open her up. And then I have some cards here that we can put in the back, and that does go back there just fine. I've got 3 cards. I got my driver's license and 2 credit cards back there. It's kind of just like nice and, you know, situated back there. And next, let's see, can I fit a pack of gum? I can 1,000,000% fit a pack of gum in my pull-in bag. So let's see. I can't fit it in this way, obviously. Let's see if I can fit her in. Okay, yes, I can. I can fit it in. Will it close? Look at that. It's right in the front there. Will it close? Yes, it does close, but like it looks full. Like it looks like it's got a lot of stuff in it, doesn't it? I don't know. It looks kind of full to me. All right, let's try a lipstick or a lip gloss, something like that. This is from Dior. She fits in there nicely, very easily actually. And then I have my car key and my house key. Just kind of throw her in here. She fits in there just fine, of course. And then I have just some cash here, and we'll just kind of shimmy her inside just like this. I mean, it does fit your essentials and only your essentials. I think maybe if you had like a mini fragrance or like a baby fragrance or something, you could fit that in there too. I would have liked to have been able to fit my gum in there. I know for a fact I'm not going to be able to fit my pepper spray. So here's my pepper spray. Can I show that on YouTube? I don't actually know. Here. Oh my god, what? Does it actually fit? If I close it? Oh, absolutely not. Look at that. It's like bulging out the side. Absolutely not. That's not gonna fit in there. And I don't want the sides to get all like deformed or something. So that's a no. I'm gonna put my lipstick back in there, and then let's just pretend that I had like a hand cream or something. This is like Aquaphor. But let's just pretend it's a hand cream that can also fit in there really easily. I've got, again, my car key, and then let's also put like an extra camera battery. Can I fit the camera battery with the case? And we're running out of space in here. Oh, I can! Look at that! Extra camera battery, and then your cash can just kind of go on the side somewhere. It actually fits a lot. Can I close it though? Like, can I close it comfortably? It's not comfortably closed. It's closed. That looks so full though. Damn it. Okay, well, I took the second hand cream out, or Aquaphor, but I took the second one of these out. You could technically fit it in there, I think, but I'm just afraid it would stretch the bag out. And like if you're ever worried about reselling these or anything, I personally wouldn't resell it, but I know I'm sure some people would. So let's just go over what it did indeed fit. So I have my camera battery. I've got some cash here. I've got my car key. I've got my lipstick, my house key, and my 3 cards back here. Now, I do think that you could 100% fit like some AirPods in. I've got my AirPods right here. So let's kind of see a different scenario. So, of course, you have to have your keys. I'm gonna put in my Dior lip balm first. And then, there we go. Well, that's still shut, yeah. And then put in my AirPods. And then put my car key right there. My house key. Will the camera battery still fit? I mean, technically, but I guarantee you it's not gonna shut. Nope. Take the camera battery out, put in my cash. God, that is so tight. That's so tight. Well, to get the AirPods in, I feel like you kind of need to ditch the lipstick. So AirPods, cash. Can I even fit the camera battery in here? No. Yeah, so in order to get the AirPods to actually fit in there comfortably, you can't fit the lipstick. So, because the AirPods are quite thick, you know? So you can fit the AirPods and the lipstick in there if you don't take your keys, but like you need your keys, right? Yeah, this is really just kind of difficult. Like I knew this bag was small, but like it's really, and it's unforgiving when it comes to like the structure. Maybe the structure will kind of soften up and loosen up over time and you'll be able to fit more in. Also, I forgot to say, but the inside of the bag is lined with cotton, and then this right here is leather. I forgot what kind of leather it is. It's cow skin. So there we go, and then the inside is lined in cotton. Okay, well I'm just gonna go back to my original thing. My lipstick, my keys, my camera battery, and my cash. That right there fits perfectly for me, and I feel like that is probably all I would need to take. I never take my AirPods, these, because I have my AirPods Max, so this is what I would personally carry in the bag. Sorry that part took such a long time. I was really trying to think of like a lot of scenarios to see, you know, what you can realistically fit in the bag all the time. So I apologize, I took like, you know, 10 minutes trying to fit stuff in the bag. All right, so there's that. Here's again what she looks like. She's the cutest little thing. I really do like it. I love the vibe of this bag. It's not even like the practicality, because I think we can all agree that these bags are not practical. I think we can all agree that, do you need this bag? No, of course not. You don't need a bag like this. And if you're someone that carries even remotely more things, it's just not gonna be practical for you or good for you or anything like that. I think if you are somebody that carries very, very, very minimally, or if you just love the vibe, if you just love the look of the bag, you know, then I think that's gonna be your like, yes, go for it, get the bag kind of thing. But if you're anybody else, then I'm just gonna say you'd be better with like Mulberry Mini Alexa or something like that. It's still considered a mini bag, but it's definitely not. This bag was $575 and it had no shipping and no taxes. I do believe that was all included. So it's actually great. I mean, I was even looking at other websites like Since, Nordstrom, like other kind of retailers, and they were all so much more expensive than just getting it from the website, like the jacquemus website. Because at the jacquemus website, you didn't have to pay for shipping and you didn't have to pay for taxes. It was $575 even. And when I was looking at like Nordstrom or other online sellers, you had to pay like shipping and taxes, and it ended up being like $600 and something. And I was like, nah, I'm just gonna get it from the jacquemus website. Anyways, you guys, that's been my unboxing of the jacquemus Le Chiquito Is that right? Le chiquito? Lu chiquito? I don't know. I don't speak French. But yeah, it's in the ivory color. I love it a lot. She's very, very cute. Let me know in the comments what you think of the bag, if you like it, if you don't like it. Let me know if you have one of these bags or if you are planning to get one. Let me know what you think of this color. Let me know what color you like the best. Just leave me a comment telling me anything, just because I want to know that. I'm very nosy. But you guys, again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. And be sure to ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!